Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you all are fine. Dear students, welcome again to Mont 2 science class. Students, today's question is question number 7. Write any 5 body parts name. Write any 5 body parts name. Firstly, we will write here the spell of fingers. F I N G E R S, fingers. Fingers, fingers. Nail. What's the spell of nail? N A I L. Nail. N-A-I-L. Nail. Hand. What's the spell of hand? H A N D. Hand. H-A-N-D. Hand. Head. What's the spell of head? H E A D. Head. H-E-A-D. Head. Last one is trunk. T R U N K. Trunk. Fingers, nail, hand, head, trunk. Again read with me. Fingers, nail, hand, head, trunk. Now kids, it's your turn. Read and write any 5 body parts name on your English copy. Allah Hafiz.